Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil supplement currently available, Carlyle Pumpkin Seed Oil. This product stands out in a saturated supplement market for one main reason: uncompromising quality paired with an incredibly potent formula. Each serving delivers 3,000 milligrams of pure, cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil, derived from cucurbita pepo, a variety known for its dense concentration of nutrients. Pumpkin seed oil has been used for centuries due to its rich content of essential fatty acids, especially omega-6 and omega-9. These compounds are vital for supporting cardiovascular health, skin hydration, hormonal balance, and even prostate support in men. The oil also contains naturally occurring phytosterols, which are plant-based compounds known for their cholesterol-supportive effects. What sets Carlyle apart is its process. The oil is cold-pressed, meaning no heat or chemicals are involved in the extraction. This method preserves the delicate nutrients and ensures you're getting the oil in its most natural and potent form. And because it's encapsulated in quick-release soft gels, the body can absorb it faster and more efficiently than traditional capsules or tablets. Now, onto formulation. Carlyle has managed to deliver this high-potency supplement in a non-GMO, gluten-free format. There are no artificial flavors, no preservatives, and it's completely free of soy. This makes it an excellent option for those with dietary sensitivities or anyone trying to avoid unnecessary additives. Each bottle contains 200 soft gels, which is a generous supply, considering the recommended dose is 3 soft gels per day, ideally with a meal. That gives you over 2 months of daily supplementation in one purchase, which is fantastic value for the quality you're getting. From a usability standpoint, the capsules are easy to swallow and come in a sturdy, clearly labeled container. Storage is simple, just keep it in a cool, dry place. And if you're someone who's particular about sourcing and testing, Carlyle ticks those boxes too. Their supplements are lab-tested for purity and potency, backed by a quality assurance guarantee that shows just how seriously they take your health. Honestly, anyone looking to boost their intake of healthy fats, support urinary and prostate health, or even add an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich oil to their regimen can benefit. It's especially valuable for aging individuals, fitness enthusiasts, or people looking for natural support for hair and skin health. One thing to keep in mind: as with any supplement, consult with your doctor before adding it to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. Carlyle has over 40 years of experience in wellness, and that heritage shows in the consistency and trust built into each bottle. For the price, purity, and potency, this is a cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil that genuinely deserves the spotlight. If you're interested, check the description below for the link. Unfortunately, it may not ship everywhere, so make sure it's available for delivery in your location. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest, in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.